So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your pocket and the best open source model GLM 5.2 has released a few days back, and in this short video I would be explaining you how you can access the free API key. Yes, you heard it right, the most powerful open source model and almost the most powerful closed source model also, just behind Opus 4.8 and Fable model. GLM 5.2 is now available with the free API key also. This sounds like a dream, but it is not. The model is available as a free API key also, and this time we are not talking about NVIDIA NIMs. Yes, the model is not available there, but on a new platform. Let me show you that. ZenMux. I'll be sharing the link in the comment section below where you can try it out. Command A Vision Clarity, a universe of models unified in one gateway. Here you can see that you can try out GLM 5.2 for free here, and here it is talking about the free API key. If you click here, as you can see, you can chat with the model for free. It's free, rate limited. The API has a rate limit. So let me ask it first of all, hey, you can chat with the model also for free here. If you type in hey, you shall get an answer. Yep, I am GLM trained by ZAI. If you go to API requests, here it's telling you how to get the APIs done, how to get the API for ZenMux. Now, if you click onto the model section on the top, as you can see here, there are 160 models and it has multiple free API keys. Step 3.7 Flash also is available, and you need to click on the ZAI GLM 5.2 free version. Do remember that, don't click on just GLM 5.2, this one. This is the free version. So once you click here, you can see the entire thing. The entire dashboard is coming out, and if you scroll down, you can see that the sample code and API for GLM 5.2 free. There is the code that you need to use, and here is the API key to create. Click on create API key and create the API key for yourself. I have created one API key for myself. Click on the create API key, add a name, tags, etc. Once you've copied the code and created an API key, next let's jump on to Google Colab. Let me hit enter, and here you can see that I'm trying out the free API key on Google Colab. GLM 5.2 free API key. This is my API key. I would be deleting it, so don't worry, don't try to copy it, create your own. I'll be sharing the link in the comment section below. The code is compatible with OpenAI, as you can see that. So I'm just providing my API key, and base URL has been changed to zenmux.ai, and the model is GLM 5.2 free. The question is, user, what is the meaning of life? And here you are getting a descriptive answer. So this is how you can use GLM 5.2 free API key, the best open source model yet. Let me ask few more questions. What is 2 plus 2? So just trying to show you a run. How much time does it take? As you can see, the output is 2 plus 2 equals to 4, and this is done by the latest or best open source model, that is GLM 5.2. The same platform has free API key for Kimi K2.7 code also. Do try it out. And right now we are experimenting with GLM 5.2 for using ZenMux. So do try out the model, looks great, and the platform also looks good. A new platform to explore. Hope you like it, and the comment is in the link section below. Thank you so much.